One thing that you can't have enough of in a workshop is tabletop space. I'm going to be adding to that today with what's in this box. This is an adjustable height workbench. It's going to go right here under my drill station, and I'm going to place my lasers on it, and it will be my laser station. So let's get started. That's a pretty good looking tabletop. I like it. It's got a USB and a USB-C like that. And of course 4 outlets. This is the workbench. After I've completed it, I set up my lasers. Like I said, it was gonna be my laser station. So I have my larger laser here and my little one over there with my computer in the middle. Works out great. You do have the power strip over here on the side. It does also have pegboards on each side. This is at full height, so you can see it's well above normal sitting height, but a stool height is where this is at for perfectly sitting at a stool. I like it because I'm taller. It is the perfect height for my lasers because I will be raising this laser up in order to put like my rollers and stuff for tumblers underneath it. So this will be a good height for me to work on my laser projects there. All in all, this is a great table. It's sturdy. I like the aluminum legs, are good and heavy. And it didn't take very long to put together. The instructions were well put together. So this is the workbench.